Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a static thumbnail using Canva. So in here in Canva, you can easily find the templates on thumbnail format. So you can just head into templates and find the YouTube thumbnail options. And here you can click on this arrow to see the full menu, or you can also just use the keyword YouTube thumbnail. And here you can see there are lots of options that you can use for the YouTube thumbnails for your clips, for your channel. You can just choose which one that aligns with your content. For example, if your channel is all about traveling, you can use this one, or maybe this one. So in here, this one, you just choose the one that you want to use and click on the template and customize it. So in here you can modify the templates by maybe changing the image in here with your own footage. You can also change the font and also the color that you use in the templates right here. I'm going to go with orange, or if this, you can go to effects and also change the outline color like this. And if you're already satisfied with the result, you can just click on a share, download, and here choose a JPG format so that the size is small, because YouTube thumbnails has a size limits. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.